Manoj Srivastava. I am from Kanpur and I did my bachelor's from Lucknow Arts and Craft College in painting department, and I did my master's from Maharaja Sarjirao University, Baroda, in printmaking department. But I did this sculpture also during those days in printmaking. So when I was doing a wood engraving, so I thought the 3D thing, how the 3D can come. So I just want to learn the 3D form. So I went to sculpture department in Baroda. So I did this. My first sculpture is this. I did this small piece. And then...
Tell me about your artworks, like what you want to express through your art. What you want to show?
I am interested in like the hidden parts of the nature, like the discarded elements of nature. I am most interested in the fallen leaves of foreign flowers, where it goes, where it ends. So like my mother goes satsang, so always she talks about me the God. So Bhagwan that is invisible, but through my visual language I want to see that invisible thing through my art. So like in this drawing I have shown the plant growing, but I want to see the hidden energy, what is there ki plant jo aa raha hai. And in this printmaking is basically the surface making. So I have never used the new surface. Yeah, in printmaking I use the found objects. I use the mattress, whatever I found behind the classes or in terrace like that. So I found this iron pin sheet.
Okay.
These marks are all natural. I have done nothing.
Okay.
And on that surface, I recreated that mattress and I created this part, this piece.
Mm-hmm. So what you are trying to show here?
This is a rotten lotus flower that was decayed and was fallen under the tree. So I found that texture, that deadness, but there is a light. The daily changes of color, the texture, what I see in the dead flowers. So I shown that the textures, the rawness and the beauty of that rawness.
Okay. Okay. And here what you are showing?
Yeah, this is the energy what I want to see, that behind the soil what is there that is pushing the plant to grow.
Okay.
What is there under the soil?
Okay.
That hidden universe. Yeah, that the hidden universe.
But I can see both ways, even under the ground and as well as.
And that this is the energy what the plant is giving.
Whether it's down below, under the ground or above, it's the same thing only. Look at the branches in the same way, and
universe is there. The universe is there.
As above, so below.
Yeah.
It is the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
One universe, what I believe is one universe that we are able to see, that we are seeing this thing. And there is one universe that it is not visible to our naked eyes.
Okay.
There is universe behind the soil.
What about these two?
No, this is my piece, and in this also I created a flora fauna like form, and I did 2 hours daily. I given this 2 hours for 6 months. So I given a title fetus. I given a title fetus. Fetus is like baby ka preparing hona, like
embryo.
So when I was making it, it was a very hard solid piece. But daily, after giving 6 months, daily 2 hours, it was like something is coming out. Something is coming out. When on the last day, I felt this I given a birth, like a new creature in this world. So I given a title like fetus. And it is a flora fauna form of piece.
Okay, the observable universe and the universe you cannot observe. What do you mean by that?
Like when I use the device microscope, I've used the microscope device. I see that universe, the small creature that is not visible to any that
direct senses.
That beauty of that small creature. There also life is going on like us, like us. But that is not visible to normal public. So I want to show all these things to the public. This is also there. Not only this universe is there. Like one thing more I want to say ki in nature, whenever we talk about nature, everyone sees nature as beauty, greenness and the freshness, like calmness. But I see that way nature also, but where I go is the small creatures, the soil where it is coming, or the fallen leaves or flowers. The flowers coming, but where they are going, then I don't think I don't think someone sees this.
Decay when
Yeah.
they decay.
I want to show the public the decayed part of nature.
Okay.
That there is also a part, a decay.
That we often ignore.
Yeah.
Yes.
Public.
Yes. Right. Wonderful. So, Patience,
Yes.
please tell me something about that, your experience.
Okay. Yeah. I attended that opening show and I was surprised. I was feeling good when I heard special guest was our one sculpture, that Biman Das.
Biman Das.
So, yeah, I was extremely feeling good. I can get the good comments or my mistakes in this sculpture. So I can ask him.
Mm-hmm.
And the second was that the other lady, she was from Lucknow only. So I was good.
Oh.
Happy that she was also from our college only.
Mamta ji?
Yeah, white suit.
Mamta ji.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mamta ji, yes.
So, Madhavi.
Yes.
So it was wonderful speaking with you. So we wish you all the best for your future in the field of art. So good luck.